Hi friends, I am going to show you how to do the Geoboards Center in Math Centers. So from our digital classroom, you're going to click on the Geoboards, click on the blue words, and it's going to take you to the Geoboards. Open up the web app, and it's going to give you a Geoboard. Some of you already know that Geoboards it's a board with pegs on it, and you take elastic bands to make shapes. So pick a color, and you're going to make shapes. So think about the shapes that we have talked about, and you're going to stretch it out to make a shape. So what shape did I make? You're right, it's a triangle. I can keep on pulling it. And now what is my shape? It is a rectangle. Pull it again, and again, and what is it now? A square. Now I can keep on going, or I can pick a different color and make new shapes. Now what is my other shape? You're right, it's a rhombus or a diamond. And that's how you do geoboards. Good luck.